Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World with Art! Let's make a bunny mask for the new year. Get the materials in the description. First, let's cut a curve into a plate to make a bunny ear, then flip it over and cut another one. Next, let's draw two leaf-shaped inner ears smaller than the ears on pink paper and cut both out. Make sure that the curves follow the curves on the ears, one less curved than the other like so. Then paste the inner ears on the ears in this position. Next, paste both ears to another plate's edge, place face down. Paste two eyes below the ears. Glue a pink pom-pom nose and two white cotton balls below it for a mouth. And then slide in some bubble tea with a black marker. Hope you bounce back to life with this mask, not cut corners. Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.